What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we talk about Terra Luna Classic as a play that's going to make people some money. Um, and some people underestimate where it's going to go. Some people look at it and say, maybe it's a dead project and that it was just for that simple time to where people will gain a certain amount of money from the lows to the highs or lows to whatever this high point is of where we are when it comes to the supply, right? We saw this down to what, 6 zeros, and then it got all the way up to a level of 3 zeros, six, or something like that. And people made some money from it. I made some money from it, and I know a lot of people that really started their crypto journey with this project. But I really think that people are underestimating what's going to happen with Terra Luna Classic and how much of a big player this is going to be. I think Terra Luna Classic, if we look at any other like, algorithmic, stable coins and, projects that support a stable coin, you really don't have anything like it, right? Nothing that truly survived through um, that the collapse of the stable coin, and it means a lot more when you see it, right? When people see the story and we end up getting to the end of it, which it's not saying that Terra Luna Classic is going to completely collapse and then we're going to be at the end, or there's going to be a point to where it's a stable price or anything like that. It's saying, when we get to a point where a lot of people are like, we made money from this and we're happy with this, and you have others that are coming out and going, you know what, I missed an opportunity. And I think you're going to have those people that basically realize that too late. So I want to kind of let you avoid that. I want to make sure that you avoid missing out on an opportunity. Now, am I telling you that you physically have to buy this position? No. Any position that I talk about, you don't have to buy the position. You don't have to just buy it based off of my word. You should take 10% of what I'm saying to give you that drive to look into it a little bit more and see what I am seeing, right? See what others are seeing within this project, or see what people saw within this project. Now, we still do have some question marks where things have to happen in order to make the max amount of money that everybody's talking about, getting to all time highs, getting to a dollar, all these other levels. But when it comes to just kind of the bare minimum that I expect out of it, I expect a hell of a lot, and people will end up making a decent amount from it from an investment standpoint. And you are an investor. You're not a builder within the project. I mean, you may be, but most likely you're not. You're an investor. You're looking to put your money into a place to where it could grow. Um, so let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. Let's look at the project and talk about why I believe that it's a sleeping giant. Sleeping giants don't come often. You have projects that blow up out of nowhere, but when you have sleeping giants, it's ones that feel like they've been silenced, and you have the community where some people are questioning if it's going to do anything, and then they give up on the project, and then all of a sudden, it takes over. And you see so many people gaining so much, and those same people that gave up on it are now getting back into it because it was a sleeping giant. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the links that are in the description for Patreon, and I have my Kick, which I just started that streaming service, and I'm excited about that. I'm always excited when you're starting something new. Um, so yeah, definitely check those things out. But let's talk about this position, right? Terra Luna Classic currently sitting at 0.00009337. It's going back and forth between that dropped and added zero, the fourth zero. But it is up 3.3%. The crypto market looks very, very positive today. And it's looking more and more like we're seeing the start of really this bull run that we're all hoping to see. The volume today is up by 87%. We're seeing it at $60 million. And the overall price, again, is up by over 3% on the day. Now, the questions that we all have, or the question marks with this position, is always hovering around the supply and whether we are going to see burns and whether we're going to see some utility that leads to those burns. And that's still up in the air. That's still a large question mark. However, seeing two zeros drop off is not unbelievable. Seeing this get to 1 cent price is not something where you have to have burns in order for that to happen. There are a lot of people that are invested into this project. There are a lot of people that are holding this project. There are a lot of people that are staking this project. So people are looking to gain long term wealth, long term gains from this play, meaning that we're going to see substantial gains when we do see a bullish market, a very, very bullish market. Now, right now, it looks like Bitcoin and Ethereum are kind of running the market, which they always seem to be. But then you see an altcoin market that takes off, and we haven't really seen that yet. We've been seeing Bitcoin that's been running, like I mean, running, going from a level of 27 all the way up to like 30. And we can get into that in another video. But I truly think at this play right here that people are underestimating what this is all about. Because if we look at the full year, we've seen this at a high price here. It was getting up to the sixes, to the 3 zeros, fives, 3 0 6s level. And it's slowly been decreasing from that time frame. And we saw it at some of these, we're seeing it at some of these places to where it has that added zero. And this gives you, I guess, a little bit of that opportunity for the people that may have missed out in some of these areas, because we still haven't seen the like official bull run back up. And Terra Luna Classic was kind of the start to why things really dropped down, right? This fell, a lot of money are falling out of other projects as well. And now it's the time for more recovery, right? You have so many more people that are invested into this project, so it could be worth so much more in that official bull run. And that's really all I wanted to say. And again, 10% or everything that I say should only be 10% of what your decision ends up being. Whether you want to invest into the play or you want to continue to hold the play, if you're already invested and you want to continue to hold the play, my decision, or sorry, your decision shouldn't be based solely on me. You should be going in here, looking at the chart, understanding that we are at a very low point and we don't stay down here often, right? Getting back up to 0.0002 is inevitable. Getting back up to 0.001 is inevitable, right? 10% of a penny. And for you to understand how much a penny will be worth in the end when it comes to market cap, you're looking at a 70 billion market cap for total supply, right? Total supply 70 billion, circulating supply, you're looking at 58 billion. Now, that is a lot compared to what it has been to, but I firmly believe that this is going to get there. And if you're looking at, again, the bare minimum, you're looking at a 10x return up to, a 5.8 billion-dollar market cap, or $6 billion market cap if you want to round up. So again, in my opinion, Terra Luna Classic is a sleeping giant. There's so much more that goes into it. That's why we create so many videos about it. And I can't wait to see what this ends up being and how many people are like, you know what, I missed out on the opportunity. But again, if you do miss out on the opportunity, it doesn't mean that you FOMO into the position and you spend all your money at the high points that it's at. If you miss the opportunity, find the next opportunity and make sure you learn from that mistake. But anyways, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Let me know what you think about Terra Luna Classic. Is it still a sleeping giant in your opinion, or do you think it's nothing and it's not going to ever be anything? So yeah, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.